Welcome to this Searching with Connectors module on Lexis.com. Once you've selected your sources, you will be taken through to the search page where you can begin your research. We will be using the UK Cases Combined Court source for this module. We will first run through a simple phrase search and then introduce searching with connectors. If you want to find the phrase professional negligence, for example, simply enter the terms into the search terms box and click on the blue search button on the right-hand side. Lexis.com will automatically search for these words next to each other as a phrase. Click on the back button to return to the search page. If you want to search for words that do not appear as a direct phrase, you will need to use the Boolean connectors to do this. There are many different connectors available on Lexis.com and are listed in the Search Connectors box located in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. The AND connector allows you to string more than one search term together so that they can be found anywhere within the same document. For example, solicitor and negligence. Use the OR connector to find synonyms, acronyms and abbreviations. For example, solicitor or lawyer and negligence. Proximity connectors allow you to find documents where the search words appear within a specified number of words to each other. Use W/S to find terms within the same sentence. Use W/P to locate words within the same paragraph. Enter a number between 2 and 255 to find terms within a particular proximity to each other. For example, enter W/25 to locate terms within 25 words of each other. So to find cases regarding a solicitor's liability for negligence, we have entered solicitor or lawyer within 25 words of negligence. Click on the blue search button to run the search. You will now see your search terms highlighted in black bold text. Click on the back button to return to the search page. The exclamation mark replaces any number of letters after a word root. For example, the word litigate with an exclamation mark on the end. This will find litigation, litigate, and litigator. The asterisk replaces one letter in a word. You can use more than one asterisk in a word anywhere except as the first letter. For example, the word woman, where the fourth letter has been replaced by an asterisk. This will find woman or women. This completes our module on searching with connectors.